a beautiful new morning in Monster Village. Let's see what Crunchy, the chomping monster, is up to. Crunchy is sleeping. Time to wake up, Crunchy. He's very excited because he's going on a picnic with Munchie today. Crunchy is a very well-behaved chomping monster. He starts his day by going to the bathroom. But Crunchy needs some help from you. Help him brush his teeth. Pop the germs. Brushing time. Excellent. Crunchy requires some food for the picnic. Would you like to help him collect the food items? Great job! After collecting the food, Crunchy walks towards Munchie's house. He cannot wait to see his best friend, Munchie. Crunchy knocks on the door eagerly. Munchie opens the door, waves at him, and invites him to come in. Crunchy enters the house, but it looks like he's too excited. He doesn't see the skateboard in front of him, and he falls! Oh, clumsy little Crunchy, the food has fallen everywhere. Would you like to help the chomping monsters put the food items back into the basket? Excellent! They're all set for the picnic. Together, they walk towards Munchie's dad's garage to get the car. While they're in the garage, Munchie has a brilliant idea. He suggests that they should create their own special car. Crunchy agrees. Create a car the chomping monsters will love. Crunchy and Munchie hop into their new car happily and drive off. to their picnic spot, Crunchy and Munchie come across some big holes in the road. Oh no! Can you put the shapes in their right places to fill the holes? Circle, pentagon, square, triangle. Superb! Yippee! Now Crunchy and Munchie can continue their trip. They have finally reached their destination. Crunchy and Munchie get down from their car and walk towards their picnic spot. The chomping monsters are very hungry. Their mouths are watering. It's time to feed the chomping monsters. Crunchy and Munchie chomp, chomp, chomp on the yummy food. They're having a blast. Thanks for your help. The Chomping Monsters picnic adventure is a success.